Dear students, today we are going to discuss worksheet 5 of chapter number 5, application of percentage. In the previous worksheet number 4, we have done about simple interest and amount. But in this worksheet we will find how to find principal, rate, time. So there are some formulas that are derived from the same formulas. SI is equal to P into R into T upon 100. This 100 multiplied with SI, and when we have to find principal, to R into T in the denominator of it. When we have to find the rate of interest, then P into T in the denominator of this. And when we have to find the time, in that case P into R is in the denominator. The formula for time becomes SI into 100 upon P into R. Similarly, for rate of interest, SI into 100 upon P into T. And for principal, SI into 100 upon R into T. And formula for amount, that is P plus SI. And formula for SI, that is equal to amount minus principal. In this way we have to solve these questions. The first question of this exercise is there. We have to find the unknown quantities in each of the following. In the first part there is given rate of interest, that is 12% per annum. Time 2 mixed 1 upon 2 years, that is 5 upon 2 years. And simple interest is given. In this question we have to find principal and amount. The formula for principal when simple interest is given, it is equal to SI into 100 upon R into T. When we place these values, 1200 into 100 upon 12 into 5 upon 2. 2 is there in denominator. It goes in multiplication in the next step. It is equal to 1200 into 100 upon 12 into 5 into 2. Now we will cancel this. 5 1 is 5, 5 20 is 100. 12 1 is 12, 12 hundreds are 1200. So we have got 100 into 20 into 2. It is equal to rupees 4000. Therefore, principal becomes 4000. And the formula for amount is there, P plus SI. SI is already given, that is 1200. Principal is there, becomes 4000. 4000 plus 1200, which is equal to 5200. In this way we will find this amount and principal of this question. The next part is given. In that part there is given rate of interest 3.5% per annum. Time is there 2 years, and amount is given, that is 535. But in this question we have to find principal as well as simple interest. Both are not given. So in this question what we are doing, let us suppose that principal of this question, this question is there, P, that is equal to rupees X. So we know that the formula for amount, that is P plus SI. In this case both we have to find principal and SI. The formula for amount is given. So we will compare it by amount. The amount is equal to P plus SI. P is there X, rupees X, and the formula for SI is there, P into R into T upon 100. And amount is given, that is 535. So we will place in place of amount. It is equal to X into P is there again X, and R is there 3.5, and time is there 2 years. So it becomes X plus X into 3.5 into 2 upon 100. 3.5 into 2, that is 7, or 7.0 we can write there. It is equal to X upon 1 plus 7X upon 100. After this we have to take LCM, because same variable terms are there. When we will calculate, so it is 100x plus 7x upon 100 is equal to 535. So it becomes 107 upon 100 into x is equal to 535. Now the value of x becomes, we have done the question of linear equation. We have studied. So when we will take this coefficient on that side, the 100 is in the denominator. It goes in multiplication, means in numerator, and 107 in the denominator, means reciprocal is there of this coefficient when we will take on the left hand side. So therefore the value of x becomes When we will cancel, so it is equal to 107 into 5, that is equal to 535. So it is equal to 5. 5 into 100, that is equal to 500. Therefore x becomes equal to rupees 500, means principal becomes equal to rupees 500. Now we can find the simple interest, that is p into r into t upon 100, and which is equal to 500 into 3.5 into 2 upon 100, and which is equal to 35. Simple interest we can also find by using this formula, that is, that formula is there. We have done sixth formula, SI is equal to amount minus principal, and amount is already given, that is 535 minus, and this principal we have find in this question, find it this that is 500. When we will subtract, we will get rupees 35. So in this way we can also find the principal directly, or by using formula we can also find. The answer is same in both cases. Now the next part is simple, you have to try yourself. And the next part, third part is, I think, same as it is, you have to try yourself. It is, I think, first part you have to solve this. The next part is there, fourth part. Principal is given 450, time is given 3 is to 1 upon 2 year, that is equal to 3 to the 6 plus 1, 7 upon 2 years, and simple interest is also given, that is 189 rupees 189. So in this question we have to find rate of interest and amount. So we know that the formula for rate of interest, that is equal to R is equal to SI into 100 upon P into T. When we will place the values, SI is given 189 into 100 upon 450 into 7 upon 2 is there. Again this number is in division. When in the next step, this division part 2 goes in multiplication, as 189 into 100 upon 450 into 7 and into 100. It is because, for example, x upon 2 upon 3 is given. So it is equal to x divided by 2 upon 3. So when we will change it into multiplication, so it is x into 3 upon 2. Means reciprocal is there. So similarly, when this 3 goes in multiplication here, and 2 is already in the denominator as it is. In the same way, 7 is will be in the denominator, but 2 goes in multiplication. So in this way we have to do all these questions, and then we will calculate this. So 0 we can cancel there. 9 5s are 45, and 9 21s are 189. So there is 21 into 10 into 2 upon 5 into 7. 5 2s are 10 and 7 3s are 21. 3 into 2 into 2, that is equal to 12%. So it is the rate of interest in this case. It is the rate of interest in this case. So in this question we have to find the amount also. The formula for, therefore, amount is equal to P plus SI. Principal is given in this question already, that is 450, plus simple interest is also given, that is 189, and it becomes 9 as it is. 8 plus 5, that is 13, 3 is there, and then 4 plus 1 5, 5 plus 1 6, it is rupees 639. So this is the amount for this. Now the next part is there, a fifth part that you have to try yourself. It is also simple. If you are getting any confusion, you can ask in online classes. The sixth part of this question number 1 is there, principal is given, that is 5400, time is there 3 years, and amount is given in this question, and we have to find the rate of interest as well as simple interest. So in this case we can solve this directly, because when principal and amount is given, so we can find the SI. SI is there, amount minus principal. So this I have done with the longest method, but small way how we can solve this. So we can also solve this by using this method, that is simple interest is equal to amount minus principal, that is equal to 6210. It is given amount and principal is there 5400. So when we will subtract, we will get simple interest, that is 810 rupees 810. Now we have to find the rate of interest. The rate of interest direct formula is there, SI into 100 upon P into T. When we place the values, SI is there 810 into 100 upon 5400 into 3. So we will get 20, we can cancel there. When we will divide it by 3, so we will get 270. 27 3s are 81. So it is 270 upon 54. When we will cancel it, so we get 5. 54 5s are 270. So it is equal to 5%. The rate of interest becomes 5% per annum. Now the next question is there. Question number 2. Find the sum of money that amounts rupees 5850. That amounts rupees 5850 or 5850 in 6 years at 5% per annum. That is the rate of interest. So in this question we have to find the sum of money. Sum of money is not given in this question. So let us suppose that the sum of money is there rupees X and rate of interest is also given, that is 5% per annum. Time is also given, that is 6 years. And one more thing is given, that is the amount, that is 5850. So we know that the formula for amount, that is principal plus simple interest. Using this formula we can solve this. It is same as the question number 1 second part that we have done. In that case we also suppose that principal is equal to X. So this question is same as it is. The principal plus simple interest is equal to amount, and principal plus simple interest formula is there, P into R into T upon 100, which is equal to 5850. In place of P we will write there X, again X, and but is rate of interest, that is 5% per annum. Time is there 6 years. When we will place the values and cancel it, so we will get 3 into X, 3X and upon 10. X upon 1 plus 3X upon 10 is equal to 5850. इसको कैंसिल किया हमने. सबसे पहले हम इसको 2 से डिवाइड करते हैं. 3 2s are 6 and 50 2s are 100. 50 is there. Then we will divide it by 5. 5 1 5, 5 10 are 50. So it is 3 upon 10 into X is there. Now after taking LCM, so it is 10x plus 3x upon 10, and which is equal to 13 upon 10 into X is equal to 5850. That is 13x upon 10 is equal to 5850, and which is equal to the value of X becomes equal to and its reciprocal multiplied with this term on the right hand side. The reciprocal of this is there 10 upon 13. 10 upon 13 multiplied by 5850. 13 1 13, 13 4 52. Carry is there 6. It becomes 65. 13 5 65. 0 as it is. So it is 450 into 10, that is 4500. Therefore the principal, that is the sum of money, is equal to X is equal to rupees 4500. In this way we have to solve this question. Now the next question, question number 3 is there. In this question there is given what sum will earn an interest of rupees 480 in 2:1 upon 2 years at the rate of interest per annum, that is given 3%. Simple interest. So in this question we have given simple interest, that is 480, rate of interest 3% per annum, time is given 2:1 upon 2, that is 2 to the 4 plus 1, 5 upon 2 years. In this question we have to find directly principal. So directly we can use the formula, that is sum of money is equal to SI into 100 upon R into T, which is equal to 480 into 100 upon 3 into 5 upon 2. This 2 again goes in multiplication in the next step. 480 into 100 as it is, 3 into 5 as it is, and this 2 in the denominator goes in multiplication. That we have done in the previous question also, how we can change it into multiplication. After this, we will calculate the 5 3s are 15 and 15 32 is 480. 15 banja 15, 15 3s are 45. 3 is there, 30 becomes 15 2s are 30. So it is 32 into 100 into 2. 32 2s are 64, 6400 it becomes. Therefore, the sum of money becomes equal to 6400. So these question of worksheet 5 we have done today. You have to try question number 4 and 5 of this worksheet 5 yourself. Okay, everyone, do your study properly and daily. Thank you and have a nice day.